everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, hi, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City-based fashion model and lover of makeup. I really needed some makeup therapy today, so I'm sitting down and just doing a fun, colorful look. I was lucky enough to get my hands on Annette's Makeup Corner's which is a vibrant matte pink shade, and I'm placing that in and above the crease in the intersection of the eye and taking it about halfway. Which is a mid-tone matte blue, and I'm placing that in the center, in and above the crease. And now I'm going in with the shade Anew, which is a matte royal purple. And I'm taking that in the outer V, and I'm winging it out a bit. To start the work on the lid, I am taking the shade Evolution on the inner half of the lid, and this is a shimmery green with a bit of a gold glitter to it. And next I'm taking the shade Chrysalis, which is a shimmery purple shade, and I'm placing this on the outer half of the lid. And now to begin the work under the eye, I'm taking the shade Luna, which is a light lime green. And then to deepen that, I'm taking the shade Cocoon, which is a darker matte green. And I wanted to add just a shimmer in the center, so I'm taking the shade Monarch, which is a shimmery orange shade. And now for the inner eye highlight color, I'm taking the shade Tranquil, which is a light blue shimmer. And at this point, I'm just going ahead and blending out the work that I did on the top just to make that blend more seamless. I'm actually using a new mascara this time. It is the Pacifica Beauty Vegan Collagen Mascara. I really like this. It's not quite as full as the Milk Kush mascara that I always use, but it definitely adds a lot of volume. And I would say that this is actually easier to apply on the bottom lashes than the Milk. And now for blush, I'm going in with the Cosmic by Double Down Cosmetics, which is a slightly shimmery pink blush. It's probably my favorite blush. And now for highlight, I'm also going in with a Double Down Cosmetics product. It is their collab with Media J in the Light, which is a light highlight with a green reflect.